Nothing tells a home story quite like film, but there are some homes that really kind of speak for themselves, and this here is one of them. The Whitman in Nomad is an ultra-luxurious boutique condominium overlooking Madison Square Park to the south. A 4-unit pre-war building, there are just 3 full-floor residences and 1 penthouse, each with its own private key-lock elevator access. Residence 2 is 5,000 square feet of luxury living that measures an entire New York City block. From its 28 feet of floor-to-ceiling park frontage on 26th Street all the way up to 27th Street. It's a home that has been meticulously renovated. We put together a video tour that walks you through the property, and I hope you like it. But honestly, I can't wait for you to experience it yourself.